Hello and welcome to the course. In today's lecture, we will learn about left outer join. So for this, I need to write one query in SQL. Then we will try to achieve the same result in DAX. So for example, I write one query, select static from sales S inner join with for example calendar date, and we need instead of inner join I need left outer join. So I need all the rows from the sales table, and from the calendar table I need only those rows that have matching IDs. So the criteria will be calendar, the alias is C on C dot order date, C dot date is equal to S dot order date, and we need another left outer join products P on P dot product key is equal to S dot product key. So this is the complete query, that we need only those columns from calendar and product that have matching product key and date with the sales table. So if I run this query, execute, and here you can see we are getting 60,398 rows. So for example, if I execute only sales table and I click execute, then I am getting 60,398 rows. Instead of getting all the columns, I need S dot static, that all the columns from the sale table, and from the calendar table I need only calendar year, and from the product table I need only product, for example product class. And if I try to execute, and if you go the right side, here you can see we are getting calendar year, sorry, it's a calendar quarter, and I need calendar year. We need to execute it, and here you can see we are getting calendar year and for the class. So see, some of the columns for the class is empty and some have some values. So we need to achieve the same result in DAX. So let's move to the DAX studio. Now we need to write evaluate, and we have to use one function, add columns. The table name is sales. We need everything from the sale table, all the columns, and then we need the left outer join. And for which field do we need? The first one is the year, and I have to use here related. It will give us only single value, related, and the calendar. Then we need the column name is calendar year. Then we need another, is the name is class. Here you can write any name, and again we need to write related. The name is, table name is products, and it is class. So that's all. So we have sale table, left outer join with calendar, and left outer join with class. And now I need to execute it. Just click run. So we are getting one error. The column calendar calendar year either doesn't exist or does not have any relationship to any table available in the current context. Let's go to the Power BI data model. And here you can see we have calendar table, and calendar table does not have any connection with the sales table. So we need order date and we need to connect it with date. So we have one-to-many relationship with sales table, and we are using related because against one transaction in sale table we have only one date, and against one sales transaction we have only one product, this product, because we have many to one relationship, and the same way we have many to one relationship from sales to calendar table, this one. So now the model is there, we have established the relationship. Now let's go back to the DAX Studio and we need to refresh metadata. So here you can see metadata has been refreshed, and now we need to execute or run, and here you can see we are getting 60,398 rows, and if we go to the right, and here you can see we are getting year information and the sale information. So this is how we can utilize the left outer join with the help of add column function.